It's gonna be a lovely day in... Whoa. Is that the same ghost I saw last year? I think so. Yes, it is, because, you know, ghosts don't disappear as much as that one, so let's put him. Man, this guy is just a... And he is gonna get so... There he is. Man, I really hate this guy. Man, this thing better not end like last year. Man, this ghost is like so mean. Here, now I need to walk slowly. Okay, this time I'm trapping this ghost. There he is. I'm gonna kill this son of a... He's dead. Okay, he is really dead now. There he is. He's just minding his own business. Look at his face. The thing.